What's up, bro? You shoot flames?
Nah, bro, I don't know, ask him. It's his car.
Hey, bro, did you shoot flames?
Yeah, when it wants to.
Dude, you ain't trying to race, bro. All-wheel drive versus all-wheel drive?
All-wheel drive, let's go!
Dude, you got 2 turbos.
Yep.
Turbos.
3.
3? Oh my god, dude. Look at this guy. This guy is so crazy. Like, what is he doing? What is up, guys? I'm here with Phil again, and I don't think he's ever been in any of my videos.
No, I'm Ben. What's up, guys? Cars and Trees. Nice
Cars and Trees. Check him out on Instagram.
Vlog and YouTube.
There you go. But we're here. He brought out the GTR again because, you know, all-wheel drive, and it's kind of snowy. Not really, but
he didn't drive because he's old and his butt can't handle not having seat warmers when it's like less than 20 degrees. That's why I brought the Mercedes.
Yeah, he brought out the Mercedes. 500 million miles on it. But I got something to show you guys. Phil actually made us some pretty sick merchandise. We got our first, I guess our little merch. It's the Cacao shirt. Let me spread it out for you guys. So as you guys can see, it's like, if you watch the videos, if you guys are subscribed, it's the Cacao at the end. So, and then on the back we got the logo, the A&A logo, and we got Phil's logo and the Instagram or Facebook's. So go check out him if you guys want anything for shirts, custom merch, anything. Go check him out. I'll put all of his information in the description. Facebook, Instagram. Plug it in, boy.
What's up? What's up, dude?
So we're here in this dope garage. If you guys have been long-time subscribers, you know that this is where I did the Foxtrot review, and this is actually where the ending is for the video, the last picture. But we're gonna get some cool videos of the GTR with my new gimbal setup. Well, it's not really new. I had it, but I just got a new screen for it, so I want to see how this works out. So you want to check out the video right now? Alright, so we got a whole bunch of stills just to test it out a little bit. Oh, I'm hopping in the GTR. We got Billy Bob.
That's not my name.
What's your real name? Tell him.
It's Jimmy. I'm just kidding. It's Ben.
We're gonna hear some scoosh scoosh noises in the GTR.
My face is so cold. Do you see this? All that like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
Alright, let's hear the sneeze, bro. Alright, bro. So, if you guys aren't, I guess, hip to this guy, you do a lot of what, like exotic cars and stuff?
Yeah. So Cars and Trees on Instagram and on YouTube. I'm an automotive photographer. I do a lot of exotic stuff, but you know, I appreciate all cars clearly. Like I'm addicted to this car, you know. How could you not be though with the blow-off valves and
all the
the
noises it makes
like that? Yeah,
it's like an old car, but it's got like a little bit of like new dust to it.
And you freak a bunch of people out on the road because they're like, wait, what are you doing on the right hand side of the car?
Right, going.
Do a little tandem course.
What is that? Not Autobahn, autocross.
A little autocross action.
Sorry, the coldness is getting to my brain. I can't think right now.
Now we are going 0 miles an hour quite fast.
But how is that possible?
Because magic, bro. Magic of the skyline, bro.
Magic? Oh, look at this skyline. Dude, this minivan's like in the way.
Come on, we can fix that.
Boost! Goodbye, soccer lady. If any of you guys were curious on what the skyline horn sounds like,
Well, let's just wait till this guy passes because I don't want to be a dick.
Oh, it's a little horn. And it's like super quiet. Like what, buddy? What? But it was a quick little video for you guys. We're back at the crib already. It's been like 30,000 years. I want to thank Phil for the shirts. You guys can barely see me. Yep. But go check out all of his information. You guys want anything custom, like shirt related, or I'm pretty sure you can do any other clothes, right? Yeah. So anything like clothing line related, you can go hit him up. Great prices, and he works pretty fast. But comment, rate, subscribe. Also check out Cars and Trees. I don't want to forget about that.
And also check out Oxman Garage.
And Oxman Garage, duh.
And Oxman Apparel.
And Oxman Apparel. But comment, rate, subscribe, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. You got car.
Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping.